Benz on
guys,
this.
welcome back to another video. I know. Are you gonna do it?
No.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. I really heard that you did it. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna take you with us on this Instacart ride. So Instacart is basically like Uber Eats, but for groceries.
Groceries, liquor.
So, like what?
Liquor.
Groceries and liquor. He's scared of me.
Huh?
He's scared of me.
Hey, hurry up so we can go do these orders.
All right, so basically people place like their orders in the grocery store, like the items that they normally would go and pick up in the groceries. They place the order and we get a notification, and then we go pick it up and then deliver it to them. So this is the first batch that I'm doing with him, and we're just gonna take you along and you can see what we do. Babe, put the phone. Where's the phone? Why would you put it in there? Alright, so this is what the person wants. So we have to pick up all of this stuff. Oh, it's not a lot. So we have to pick up the stuff for the customer and then deliver it to their house. Is it 2 pounds? Is that 2 and 1/4?
2 and 1/4.
Yeah, 2.25. Look at my baby doing grocery shopping. I feel so focused.
Alright, 7 Haas avocado.
Babe, take the stuff.
Oh?
Alright, so this wants 4 carrots at 99 cents a pound. So now baby's going to pick up 40.
I ain't gonna lie, you some ugly carrots. Look like them carrots Bugs Bunny be eating.
We gotta weigh it too, right?
Huh?
He has to weigh it too.
Yeah, we gotta weigh it.
I said we just get everything and then weigh everything at one time.
That's what I was thinking too, right?
Yeah. Alright, let's look for 2 red onions.
2 red onions?
Yeah. Those are not onions, babe.
Onions should be here though.
No, not necessarily.
Wasn't there beets on the thing? That's on bugging?
No.
That's
Let's get the avocado,
onions.
the onions, and water. And some organic thing. Onions would be on the other side over there. Look, the bag is right here.
They need to just put more of these bags around because this shit gets tight.
Wait, the bag is literally right next to it. Look where the bag is. Right? Wait, right here. And the onion is right here. He's like, oh, they need to put more bags. What? She wants 2.
Only 2?
2 red ones. We're gonna weigh them all at the end. Alright, we're gonna find these avocados.
Yeah.
If you was avocados, what would you be?
In my stomach.
Who says stuff like
Who says what?
that? Why he gotta hit me for it?
Who says
Go
what?
ahead, cause the
Who
scene of the
says-
store.
who
Cause the
says
scene of the
what?
store, babe. Alright, so my phone died while I was getting hit. So now we're looking for these test avocados. Wait, why your phone quality look better than mine? Your phone quality looks better than mine. Yeah, he has no idea where he's going. At this point, he's just walking. Okay. That's not a cart, babe.
Oh, snap.
Oh my gosh. You out here trying to teeth other people's cars. Yeah. I got everything. Why would avocados be over here? I don't think there's avocados over here. Okay. Alright, so one cool thing about Instacart is you can shop however you want to. Go ahead, break the cart. You can shop however you want to, because right now he's in Crocs, shorts, and a sweater. And making mad noise.
What happened?
I don't know. Oh, you fixed it. I told you there won't be no avocados over here. So we walked around the entire store looking for avocados. Mind you, they was right next to the tomatoes that we got, babe. Remember the tomatoes?
Yeah, you the one who was like,
I'm the one who did
on
what?
the other side.
No, I did not say it's on the other side.
You got me on the other side. She look like a little ass boy.
That's how you said it.
I'm not bullying you. He says USDA beef oxtail. Let's see.
She mad picky.
Now we just found the Pete and Gary eggs. Got everything. About to go weigh everything.
We're about to go check out and then deliver the food to the customer.
Issue you a card to like purchase everything. When you're done, they give you like this receipt. Of course, you gotta scan the receipt, and that's how you get your bread. All right, so soon pull up to this person's house, get everything situated.
Got it?
Yeah.
So I told him to move the car, right? Because we parked on the other side. He's like, nah, it's not gonna be that much stuff. Now look at us, stealing the people's carts. We're leaving the entire spot to go next door when he could have just, watch your stuff, don't hurt yourself. All he had to do was move the car, bust a U-turn, and we would have been straight, but nah. Look at us, look at us stealing the people's carts.
Yeah, we stole a cart, so what?
Nah, we gonna put it back after we put everything, because we parked at Trader Joe's. This was a calm run. Shortcut. Let's see how long it takes for him to realize that I'm not there. I have the key, so I'm gonna hide in the car. You walked around the corner too fast. I know. We're heading to the customer's house, so we're just gonna deliver her groceries. I have her eggs on the front so it don't break or whatever.
The good thing about Instacart is if people, depending on how much people order, you get paid for it. So if somebody orders like 33, 40 items, they give you an interest on that. So that's a good thing. And depending on how far it is too, they give you extra money. So whatever they give you, it's just like, what can I say? Like if you have an order for like $10, but the place is far, they give you another interest on top of that. And then if the person orders like 40 items, they give you even more money on top of that because you're going out of your way carrying
all these
40 plus items. It's taking a long time. And then if the person gives you another tip, that's more money. So the last tip I got was $10. So people are very generous on this app. The only con I could really say about this app is like the hour system is kind of messed up. It's best to like go off the hours and just work off hours type thing. But
what does that mean, work off hours?
Like it's called on demand.
So don't pick up a shift.
Don't pick up a shift. Just go to an area where there's like high supply of like food and stuff. Preferably a rich area in your neighborhood. And just hang out over there and just pick up batches. Because old white people don't want to go pick up batches.
You heard it here first. So would you suggest Instacart to the people?
Yes, I would. Simply because the minimum amount you could really get off this order is probably like $20. But like, kind of like Uber Eats, the minimum you probably get like $5.
So it's extra cash?
Yes, extra cash. On top of the fact, Uber Eats people don't be trying to tip you at all. I never did Uber Eats, but I've been the person who ordered Uber Eats, and I definitely don't like to tip. So, that being said, Uber Eats people really don't like to tip like that. But Instacart is like mainly for like the rich people that really don't want to go outside and shop on their own. So they want door-to-door service. And they tip you a healthy amount of money. A friend of mine actually made $1,000 a week off of Instacart. Only reason why I even actually started this thing.
Okay.
Okay, so we arrived at these people's house. Watch out, man.
I'm trying to help you.
Just gotta get the dead asses. You know, I gotta keep a fresh pair of those in the trunk.
So we just delivered everything to the customer, and that completes the end of that one batch, right?
Yeah, one batch.
Okay. Would you suggest that people do this as a full-time job?
Full-time job, no. As a side hustle, yes.
Side hustle?
Yeah, on your days off, or if you want to get off from work, do a little extra to get some extra money, yeah. But nothing else besides that.
Okay. Alright, but my hoodie's plain.
If you have your own car that's fully paid for, then I would not shy away from doing it full time. But if you have a leased car, then no, definitely not.
Why?
Because your miles is gonna run up.
Yeah, it took us a little while to find a batch, which I, from a passenger's perspective, would say that's a con, because it took a minute to actually find a batch, and we drove around a lot. So, like you said, if you have a lease car, you will be putting miles on your car. But if you own your car, then you wouldn't really care. But yeah, that was our Instacart vlog, batch, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, whatever you want to call it.
Alright, that's the end of this video. If you liked or have any questions about Instacart, just leave the comments in the section and he will get back to you because he knows more about it than I do. Right, so that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.